Imagine the raw fury of a storm. Now imagine dropping the roof and harnessing that storm with your right foot. This is not just another tuned BMW. This is the G-POWER G4M Bi-TURBO Convertible, a 700 horsepower beast that takes the legendary M4 Cabriolet and transforms it into a road-legal missile under the open sky. For more than 40 years, G-POWER has been rewriting the rulebook on BMW performance. From the quiet town of Gockenbach in Bavaria, they've built a reputation for turning ordinary M models into extraordinary machines. And with the latest G8X, M3, and M4 lineup, they've created something truly unhinged. Let's talk numbers. 700 horsepower, 850 Newton-meters of torque, and a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour, 192 miles per hour with the roof down. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a declaration of war against mediocrity. To reach these mind-bending figures, G-POWER went all out. A carbon intake system that gulps air like a jet engine. High-flow HJS downpipes that slash back pressure and sharpen turbo response. A custom DEEPTONE exhaust with flap technology and 4 massive carbon-coated tailpipes that roar like rolling thunder. And it's not just hardware. The GP700 software fine-tunes every detail, recalibrating the transmission and unlocking the full potential of that inline-six twin-turbo. But here's the kicker. This monster is completely road legal. Every part, from the hood to the grille, has been tested to meet the strictest safety standards. Take the GP Venturi RR carbon hood. It isn't just for show. It survived Euro NCAP pedestrian protection tests, which means it can take a hit from a headform impact test and still pass. That's not just performance, that's engineering obsession. And the details don't stop there. The GP Dynamic Carbon Kidney Grille gleams with that signature carbon weave. The GP Shuriken carbon attachments at the front apron cut through the air with razor-sharp aggression. Every element is precision-made, lightweight, and designed to perform as hard as it looks. Now let's move down to the wheels. G-POWER's Hurricane RR forged rims are a work of art. Painted in signature G-POWER orange with a diamond-cut finish, these 21-inch wheels scream individuality. Wrapped in ultra-low profile tires, paired with coilover suspension, the car sits low, mean, and ready to strike. It doesn't just look like it's moving fast, it looks like it's about to launch into orbit. The G4M Bi-Turbo is not a car you buy to blend in. It's a car you buy to make a statement. It's for the driver who refuses to choose between everyday life, ferocious sound, and breathtaking performance. It's the ultimate fusion of German precision, tuner madness, and personal expression. And here's the best part. This package isn't limited to the M4 Cabriolet. Whether it's the M2, the M3 Sedan, the M3 Touring, or the M4 Coupe, G-POWER will transform your machine into a rolling storm of horsepower and style. At the end of the day, the G-POWER G4M Bi-Turbo isn't just a tuned M4. It's freedom with a license plate. It's thunder you can summon at the push of a pedal. And it's proof that sometimes too much is just enough. So the only question left is, do you have the courage to drop the roof, grip the wheel, and unleash all 700 horses into the open sky?